Welcome! Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M31s, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go into the notification panel here, and as can you see here we got the plus icon. Just tap there, and as can you see here we got this down section with all our available icons on our notification panel. And if you want to just add some icons from this up section, you just should hold for a while one from these icons and drag it here to this down section. And as can you see right there, we just got the changes, and by this way we just here add one more icon on our notification panel. And also we can just here add the always on display icon, and that's really simple. Just to remove icon, by the same way hold it and drag it here to this available buttons section. Just we can just here remove the smart view icon and also this scan QR codes icon. So, and now just tap to down to see all the changes, and that's really simple, as can you see. Also we can change the position of these icons here. For example, you just want to Bluetooth icon to be the first one, just hold this icon and drag it here to this section. Then we'll just set the flight mode icon, and the third one will be the charge. Now just tap here to done, and you'll see the changes. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.